Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford Mustang headlight flickering issue and what could be causing it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. Headlight flickering in the Ford Mustang is commonly described as headlights dimming, brightening, or flashing intermittently while driving, idling, or when electrical loads change. Verified owner reports and service information show that headlight flickering concerns have been reported across multiple Ford Mustang model years and generations, with causes varying based on electrical system design, lighting technology, and component condition. One verified and frequently reported cause involves charging system instability. An alternator that is not regulating voltage consistently can cause headlights to flicker as system voltage fluctuates. Another confirmed cause relates to battery condition or connections. A weak battery, loose terminals, or corroded connections can lead to inconsistent electrical supply, resulting in noticeable headlight flicker. Wiring or ground connection issues are also documented factors. Damaged wiring, poor grounding points, or loose connectors in the lighting circuit can interrupt power flow and cause intermittent headlight operation. Lighting control module or switch-related behavior has also been reported. Faults within headlight control modules or switches can cause inconsistent power delivery to the headlights. Bulb or headlight assembly issues are another verified consideration. Worn bulbs or internal faults within the headlight housing can create flickering, especially when nearing the end of service life. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include temperature-related electrical behavior, recent electrical repairs, or aftermarket lighting modifications. These should be treated strictly as possibilities and confirmed through proper diagnostic testing. Common solutions reported by technicians and owners include testing the battery and charging system, inspecting wiring and grounds, checking headlight bulbs and connectors, and diagnosing lighting control components. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and vehicle-specific conditions. Owner feedback trends indicate that many Ford Mustang headlight flickering issues are resolved through battery or alternator service or by correcting wiring and grounding problems rather than replacing headlight assemblies. However, experiences vary by model year, lighting configuration, and electrical load. In conclusion, Ford Mustang headlight flickering is typically linked to voltage regulation issues, battery or connection problems, wiring faults, or lighting control behavior. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.